Hello friends, I hope you're doing well. Today we're back with another special indicator that you can use in the ICT style. I hope you've made good use of the previous indicators like the Super Indicator 14-in-1 or the 1-minute Super Scalper that we introduced in previous videos, and that you've been able to apply them effectively in your trades. Now, today's topic is about the ICT structure, along with a bunch of new features added to this indicator, which will be available to you via membership. Those of you who work with ICT are already very familiar with these concepts, but if you're not familiar with ICT yet, make sure to listen carefully because you can really benefit from this style. The first topic is the structure. In this indicator, we've set it up so that you get to decide where the structure starts, meaning you can move this line to mark the starting point. You use this point as the start of the structure, and then see where it triggers inducement or BOS, and again where it shows BOS and change of character. If you want to quickly switch time frames, say from 5 minutes to 15 minutes, the indicator will instantly draw the inducements, BOS, and change of character for you. Even if you want to focus on a specific small area of the chart and just analyze the ICT structure there, all you have to do is move the line, and it will reanalyze that section. I hope this indicator is as useful to you as the previous ones. One quick note, if you have a specific strategy or indicator in mind that you want to code, or if you want to use this special ICT indicator via membership, or if you're interested in VIP or free strategies, just message me on Telegram. Alright, moving on. Another feature we've added to this indicator, which you can easily use, is the pullback lines. Pullbacks that occur by hitting previous highs and lows, or the so-called previous shadows, will automatically draw the related pullback lines on the chart. By using these pullback lines, you can understand the state of your chart's structure and how it's performing. These pullback lines are drawn completely automatically, and based on the experiences and discussions we've had, many traders are making great trades using just these pullback lines. I'm going through the steps one by one right now, so you can see how these pullback lines are drawn, and how you can make successful trades based on them. These lines show you the market situation. For instance, when there's a drop or a bearish leg, right after that, it shows the main pullback and the end of the leg. This pullback could be a simple one, or the start of a new trend. The next feature we've added to this indicator is Fair Value Gaps FVGs. You can draw the FVGs on the chart and specify whether the FVGs that have been filled where the price is penetrated should be displayed or not. If you tick the option, the gaps that have been filled won't be displayed anymore, and you'll only see the gaps that are waiting for the price to reach them. The next topic in this indicator is the order blocks. Here, you can also specify whether the order blocks that have been filled or not should be displayed on the chart. By using these order blocks, you can also make good trades. Scope types 1 and 2 are also included in this indicator. In bullish trends where the change of character is upwards, it only shows the bullish scopes, and in bearish trends where the structure is downwards, it displays the bearish scopes. We've also included lines for open, close, high, and low for a specific time frame in this indicator. We set up two types of lines that you can configure in the settings based on your preferred time frame. For example, daily, 4-hour, monthly, weekly, or whatever time frame suits your needs. These two types of lines display the values of high, low, and close for that time frame, whether it's daily, 4-hour, or anything else. This feature is particularly useful for those who work with the previous day's close price or the high and low of previous time frames. Another topic is the fakie setup, which is a small part of ICT that helps traders identify market traps. This pattern forms when the price initially moves in one direction and then quickly reverses. This move usually indicates a market reversal and the entry or exit of smart money. Alright, in the next section, you can configure the settings to determine from which date the structure should be displayed and where it should start. The next section is related to the scopes, where you can configure how they should be displayed. Also, the settings related to the structure lines determine how the structure is shown on the chart. You can adjust the pullback line settings. I really recommend this pullback line because many traders use it and have confirmed its effectiveness. We also have settings for fair value gaps FVGs, order blocks, daily time frames, and fakies. All of these settings are available in this section. You can make changes whenever you need to. For example, if you turn on FVG and also activate order blocks, pullback lines, and structure, you can analyze and measure various aspects in higher time frames and prepare yourself for a suitable trade in lower time frames, again, based on ICT. You can instantly pull this information from any time frame. The highs and lows marked here are really important in the ICT style, and you can use them just as they are. And finally, if you have a specific strategy in mind that you want to code, or if you want to use this special ICT indicator via membership, just message me on Telegram. I'll help you as much as I can. Wishing you success and prosperity. Goodbye.